The whole morning before, like I was kind of nervous and everything, but then again, I was just like, well, once I've been there, there ain't gonna be no more toothaches. It fill up my mouth, I'll have teeth again, the first time in a long time. And I went in there, and I know it took a long time, but when I woke up, it didn't feel like I'd been in there about 20 minutes. Dr. Allen looked over at me, and he said they fit perfect. We didn't even have to trim them or anything. He said it was just meant to be for you, and I couldn't quit looking at them there. I just kept on holding up my phone, looking at them every so often and everything. But my face, I could feel like my face is filled back out again around my jaw and everything. Because before I got them, I could feel my cheeks were sucking in a little bit. And talking about confidence, it's been since 2015 since I put a picture on Facebook. And I put 5 or 6 on there now since I got my teeth and everything. Now every time I know somebody, when I see them, that's the first thing they say after I start talking to them. Oh, you got teeth in and everything,
Yeah.
But I've never been to a doctor's office or a dentist's office when you walk in with everybody in the dentist's office asking you how you doing or if you need anything. You never hear of a dentist around here that does something like I got. It's amazing, to be honest.